Ease of access. Manages excess cables via in-wall storage and provides convenient access to back of TV as needed. Compatibility. Hook up a digital TV adapter, cable box, soundbar, or streaming media devices such as Apple TV or Roku. Manage all your cables. Cable access strap easily handles the many cables necessary to support your TV. Flexibility. Includes a 12 feet in-wall cable and is compatible with all TV power plugs, even right-angle cords and bulky power supplies. Easily hide power and AV cables inside the wall without modifying electrical wiring. This kit includes everything needed to extend power to wall-mount TV installations while providing the ultimate flexibility with the innovative decorator-based power inlet strap and the recessed box with duplex power receptacle. Additional flexibility for TV placement with a 12 in-wall cable. What's in the box? Unassembled power output module with 12 feet in-wall rated power cable. Unassembled power input module. Low voltage bracket. 6 feet power cord with right angle plug. Cutout template with instructions. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, easy and does what they promise. The product was easy to install, if you have the right tools. I suggest an oscillating saw for your cuts, makes it real easy. I installed the top piece in a wall that had drywall over plaster and lath and the bottom piece in the wood baseboard to keep consistent with my other receptacles. The only complaint I had was how it arrived at my house. It came in a crushed box with pieces falling out. Luckily, the crushed box was inside one of those Amazon bags and I didn't lose any parts. I guess it says something for the quality of the product that the box was crushed open and nothing was broken. I would recommend Legrand products all day long.